Hi, my name's Ben and I work in fashion. My passions are around sports mostly. Second to that would be fashion, photography, creativity and sort of design type elements. If I could instantly learn any skill, it would be language, just because I love to travel, and just to have that ability to be able to move and really experience different cultures would be amazing. It's so easy to send money between friends and family. It's just super useful in the day-to-day moments. It makes it much easier where I just open the app, I don't have to enter the details every single time, and it's easy just to share between all of us. So the ability to send and receive money for me is actually essential. It means I can help out family members, they can help me out. So my mum and I use PayPal in quite a nice way where, because she lives abroad, we're able to pick up certain bits for her on her behalf that she's not able to get access to where she lives. So whenever she comes over to see us, I can use any of the money that she wants me to use on her behalf to be able to grab chocolate, beauty products, that sort of stuff. And it means she can get a little bit of a touch from home while she's away.